Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn AVAX tokens. The best way to earn your tokens or to earn tokens generally is by staking those tokens in a centralized exchange. And by using the Binance Earn feature, we get to earn a good amount of the AVAX token we're looking for when we simply stake with Binance. So now, in order to do this, open up your Binance app. Please make sure you have an account on Binance. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to do this. You're not going to be able to partake in any of the transactions there. Remember, this is a centralized exchange, so the account is necessary. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with the verified account, all you need to do now is head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. You're dropped at the overview, which houses a look at all of your cryptos and where they're stored. You could simply scroll from the spot to the funding, as we're going to be doing our earning on the spot wallet. So simply scroll to your funding, take note of your AVAX, click on the transfer option. Once you've selected the transfer option, click on USDT, click on AVAX, click on Max, click on confirm transfer. Now we've simply moved our AVAX from our funding wallet over to our spot wallet where the earning can begin. Once here, simply do a reload, click on the AVAX token itself. Once you selected AVAX, click on Earn AVAX. That's Earn AVAX up to 7.6% or 6.5. Now we're going to be doing the low risk earning plan. So click on the AVAX, enter the amount of AVAX you wish to store and how long you wish to store the AVAX for. So let's say for 30 days, I want a minimum of 0.01 AVAX to be stored. I have 0.2. So let's say 0.1 AVAX to be stored or 0.05. Click on confirm. Agree to the terms and conditions. Please make sure you read through all of this, as this is not financial advice. Make sure you get your facts from verified sources. Now click on confirm, and we've successfully subscribed. Now this subscription is basically our chance at getting some of the AVAX tokens staked and earning from the staking of the AVAX tokens. If you head over to the simple earn and head back to your wallets, a simple reload will show the amount of AVAX we have left. So if you click on this AVAX now, okay guys, and if you take a look at the history, you can find that our subscription has been placed and the AVAX has been locked. That we have some AVAX locked, which is going to be developing and earning us some AVAX tokens. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.